We're honored to be here, part of the 10 finalists. And my name is Josh Rifkin, like Adrian said. I've licensed a few products in the pet channel, as well as housewares. And this is our first hardware tool. And this is my partner, Jeff Champ. He's the engineer that helped on this project, and we are partners on this product. And I'll let him tell a little bit about himself.
Yeah, my name's Jeff. I'm an industrial designer, an inventor, and I've designed for large companies, for small companies, and for inventors. For the last 20 years, I've brought a couple hundred products to the market, and it's been a lot of fun. It's as fun today as it was the first day I started. So certainly if any of you have any questions about your inventions, I'd love to give you advice, point you in the right direction.
So I'm really excited to be working with Jeff on this one. He did a lot of work on this to make it a simple, clean design. And anyway, this is a the most affordable, I think, multifunctional right angle tool on the market. And we call it the Bit Viper. And it allows you to fasten and unfasten hundreds of different types of screw heads in really tight spots. And so that's the main purpose of this product. It's a simple, strong design. It comes with 4 interchangeable bits. One fits in the head here, one in the back. And with the suggestions from Greg, is it Enovex? From the last meeting, he actually said, you might as well put 2 bits in the handle. So we've done that. We've redesigned it so that it now comes with 4 bits. We believe we can get this produced between 30 to 50 cents. So that would translate into about $1.99, $2.99 retail. That would be about 75 to 83% less expensive than any of the next affordable options out there for right angle tools.
So this would be like getting dressed up, going to a nice fancy restaurant and ordering a big juicy steak, but only having to pay the price of a McDonald's hamburger for it.
Our initial target market is housewares, hardware, probably promotional products as well, and any impulse buy sections at retailers. And we're definitely gunning for IKEA, any retailer that requires you to assemble any of your furniture. So I'm going to put IKEA's name right on here. Yellow and blue. That's the nice thing is that one injection molded piece, so we can make it in bright colors. We can do it in any color whatsoever. So I just want to go over the 5 main benefits of this. As I said, low cost. The next option's 4 to 6 times more expensive. It's one piece of plastic, minimal labor to embed the neodymium magnets in. And with that, let me just show you a presentation. Actually, I put together a 3-minute video, which I've actually sent out to about 12 different hardware tool manufacturers as well as promotional products. So we're waiting, and they're reviewing them right now. And our whole purpose is to license this product. So I'm a Mac guy now, so.
I'd like to introduce you to the Bit Viper 90, the one tool for those hard-to-reach spaces. Weight, it's 0.1 pounds. It's a 1 injection molded piece. And first of all, it works with over 100 different driving bits across 24 different shapes. It's compact, it's 5.5 inches in length, and it has a 1-inch clearance for those really tight spots that you're trying to access the screw driving heads. It's reliable. We have a reinforced design with this ribbing on the one side to make sure that it doesn't flex. It also has magnets embedded inside the recesses. I'm going to demonstrate with this Phillips head interchangeable bit. I'm going to drop it in here, sticks right in, and in the back we've got an additional storage space for our slot head. There you have it. You've got these guys locked in there. They're securely fit. It's great for assembling furniture, installing household fixtures like blinds, cabinetry, fixing bicycles, motorcycles, and electronics. Basically anything that has a screw driving head. The nice thing about this is that there's a lot of right angles out there, and well, we've got possible size and multi-tools like this. We really don't need all of those tools. All you need is a right angle here, and any of the interchangeable bits you already have for your screwdriver. No space is too tight for this Bit Viper 90. As you can see, it's really easy to remove the interchangeable bit and then just drop it back in. Get sucked in by that, and it won't go anywhere. So I'm going to take you on a tour of the house and show you some of the tight angles that this Bit Viper 90 works really well with. So we're in the kitchen, here's the cabinet.
Anyway, this is one of the
Righty-tighty and lefty-loosey.
righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, yeah. So here's another spot underneath the sink. I'm just showing some of the places where it's really difficult to get to with a straight edge screwdriver. And the next one is actually going to touch on the whole point of the IKEA or Baby's R Us. I had to assemble this, hundreds of screws, but it came with 3 different interchangeable bits. And it came with, or, I'm sorry, didn't come with bits. It needs to come with 3 interchangeable bits and this bit viper. Lots of screws, but 3 different heads to access. So if you came with one Allen key, that wouldn't do the job. So here's the slot head. You can see, you just go on up, pick it up, snaps right in. You get the idea. So there's 3 different interchangeable, or 3 different screw heads on this product itself. And if it just came with 3 bits and this handle, you know, really we're looking at a very cheap, affordable option as opposed to having 3 different tools. So I'll stop this because there's no sound. And originally I came up with this because I didn't have something to install my daughter's baby gate on a spiral staircase. And we couldn't access that, and so that's when the idea came, and Jeff and I started talking about it. And as another result of the magnet recently, we noticed that this actually sticks onto metal. So you can put it on your refrigerator or on your workbench.
Never lose it.
So that is the Bit Viper 90. Like again, I said, it's about 75 to 83% cheaper than the next available option out there. Anyone have any questions about the product?
Start off with a hey. That was pretty good.
Will it take much torque? I mean, is it made of a glass-filled plastic?
That'd be ABS. And you know, with the ribbing and the wall thickness at 100 thou, it's over-designed for strength, and not at all, not at all.
That would push the price up a lot. I mean, what we're trying to do is create a $1.99, $2.99 price point to differentiate from all the others.
Go ahead.
My usual question, where is it made?
Where is it made? Well, we're right now looking to license this product with multiple companies, so it's really going to depend on where they are manufacturing.
But with minimal labor, it could be made in the U.S.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of companies we've talked to is like Klein Tools, a lot of companies that are based here in the Midwest, so there's a good chance it would be made in the U.S.
So we like to hear. Any other questions?
Go ahead.
Just a second. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
Have you considered actually like bend it in the middle? So if it's like this, kind of like, I don't know, like, so it doesn't take the whole space, like bend it? You know what I mean?
If we,
Yeah.
So it's a little shorter, you mean?
No, the
Oh,
size is fine.
to fold in on itself, to be smaller?
Yeah.
I mean,
That would
it
save
probably, it's still pretty small.
I mean, you will have to.
You'd have to lock it in, yeah, I don't know.
it could compromise the strength of it, but it's something we could look into.
Yeah. Telescoping. Might get a little more expensive, but yeah,
Yeah.
they're all
If it achieves the goal.
of more compact. I mean, this is pretty small, but hell, we're open for anything.
As what it does a great job of doing that.
Yeah, and it also, I mean, when you, yeah, the telescoping would be key. I mean, or not key, but to have this length to be able to access that deeper spot.
Having a little handy screwdriver tool that sits on the side of your refrigerator is convenient. Any other questions?
You'd be able
How many more
to
questions?
market as a calling card type thing for, you know, businesses to be able to put their advertisement or whoever.
Yeah. No, we've actually submitted this to 3 different promotional companies, so we're hoping that we'll hear back from them. And what I like to do with a lot of the products that we've licensed is open up and keep that exclusivity so we can relicense it promotional and then license it to another company for mass.
Dennis, last question.
A way to sell it is you have a regular screwdriver there too, instead of just having the
Right.
rectangle. So when you're done with that, you just set it up, you use the screwdriver. So it's easy to use that way.
Yeah, we could highlight that point too.
Yeah.
You can add that point to your sales.
Yeah, yeah. Great.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Very much.
Thanks.
Good job.